Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about my price prediction for crypto.com coin. I want to take a look at some of the meme coins because the meme coins are getting a little bit of a rebound. And I also want to take a overall look at the overall crypto market. So without further ado, we are at 8,930 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. So subscribe right now. We're getting close. Super excited to give it away. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are up about 2.1% right now on Bitcoin. Relatively, I mean, that's nothing. Because we came down from about 28,200. We are below my key level of 28,200. I do think that we are headed to about the $25,300 price level on Bitcoin. And now, all in all here, there is liquidity moving out of the market. Bitcoin dominance is coming up as of since yesterday. The liquidity is coming out of the other alts and whatnot, but it did flow from Bitcoin. It did flow out of Bitcoin faster than it flew out of than it came out of the altcoins, which is pretty interesting to see. But I do think that the Bitcoin dominance is going to be heading up here as we move closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. So let's take a look at Pepe because we are up significantly in the past day here. It's pretty incredible. There's things going on Twitter saying that Elon Musk changed the Twitter billboard outside of the headquarters to green to represent Pepe. I don't know about that if it was true or not, but we are having about a 90% pump off the bottom, which is pretty incredible to see on a meme coin, especially when we just had this huge capitulation event. I mean, it wasn't really a huge capitulation event, but it moved to the downside on the overall crypto market cap. So let's take a look at Bitcoin because it is important that we see this, guys, that we are below the $28,200 price level. I am still prepared to see us come to 25,300. I still believe that that is the price target that we need to test. If not, I mean, we did break below this level of 26,200, but I do really believe that if we stay beneath 28,200 for the next couple days here, that we're going to be headed to 25,000. I do think that that is my price target. It's not financial advice, but that's just based on probability and statistics, and that's kind of where I see the likelihood. We have a much higher likelihood of reaching 25,300 than we do of reaching 32K in the next few days, especially if we're getting these daily candle closes below 28,200. And those are my two price levels I'm looking at here in between this channel. But I would like to say, when we zoom out a little bit here, guys, we go to the weekly. Guys, we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. And, on the thumbnail, I have 30-cent coin. And what scenario do I think we're going to get to 30-cent coin? You may say, but I see the other day you just talked about how we're going to get to $1. Yes. I want to say that I think that we could get to 30 cents coin before the end of this year. I know that sounds ridiculous. But I do think that is there's a possibility of that happening. We have about 11 months left before this Bitcoin halving. I think that there is room. I do think that the next 6 months is relatively going to be trading sideways and down a little bit. But I do think that over the next 11 months, our price ranges are between 19,500 and 40,000. So I do think that there is some space where we will be going up for a few months at a time leading into the Bitcoin halving. I think that is going to happen later than sooner. I don't think that it's going to be happening in this next 6 months. I do think it maybe will be happening, let's say, in the next 9 to 12 months. So that being said, coin. We're looking at coin right now. We are below 0.0689 cents. We are touching about 6 cents even right now. The low is 5.5 cents. I do believe that if Bitcoin can reach $40,000 before the Bitcoin halving, leading into the Bitcoin halving, that's when you're going to start to see some altcoins running. And that's why I really believe that 30 cents coin is possible. But I will say, let's first get to fair value first before we just throw these numbers out there. Fair value, in my opinion, is between here, the 12.5 cents to 18 cents, maybe even 20 cents if you want to be greedy about it. I think that's fair value. And fair value, in my opinion, is when Bitcoin reaches the $30,000 to $35,000 price levels. Okay? And if we trade sideways on Bitcoin and we reach these $35,000 price levels, right about here, I really do believe that we're going to have an altcoin season leading into the Bitcoin halving. Because we're not just going to go straight up, guys. We're not just going to go straight up after this Bitcoin halving. It's going to be something like this. I'm not prepared to see something like this. I don't think we're going to be seeing straight up motions like this leading to the Bitcoin halving, especially if we're coming off of sideways and down for 6 months, and then the 3 months leading to the Bitcoin halving is just a little bit up. I don't expect a big move to the upside. And you may say, Blacksea, why are you talking about big moves to the upside? Because if we do have these big moves to the upside, if they were straight up moves, then the liquidity is not going to be going into the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance level is going to be increasing significantly, which means that the altcoins will probably bleed against Bitcoin. Usually, the altcoins do well when Bitcoin dominance comes down after we've had a large move to the upside or a steady move to the upside and consolidation after we've made a move to the upside on Bitcoin. So in my opinion, leading into the Bitcoin halving or a couple months after, when we're trading sideways, say about 45,000, something like that, I believe that Crocoin can reach 30 cents leading into that. I really do. Because I think that we're going to have lots of sideways action and then slowly moving up to the upside leading into the Bitcoin halving. And I think that this year there is a chance of 30 cents Crocoin. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I'm crazy, but I think that there's a possibility of that. I like to look at all different outcomes, and those theses can change on a dime depending on what's going on with the price action and the fundamentals of the crypto space. But as of right now, I do think that there's a possibility of that. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where you have NFT whitelist spot giveaways, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. You get access to our cool custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use in our comment section below or in our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to 10 additional entries each month you are a member at winning this loaded line NFT that we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers, guys. But that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.